If your institution subscribes to Dynamic Health or Dynamic Health CDS Plus skills, you can use MyCE to earn ANCC contact hours and record Continuing Professional Development (CPD) hours for the UK Nursing and Midwifery Council. Begin by signing in with your personal account credentials. Click the account icon and then click Sign In. Enter your credentials and click the Sign In button. If you do not have a personal account, click Register Now to create one. After logging in, note the Continuing Education (CE) indicator in the toolbar. The number displayed indicates how many contact hours you have available to claim for a certificate. As you read topics, the system tracks your activity and contact hours are automatically added to the number you have available to submit. When you are ready to submit your available contact hours, click the CE indicator at the top of any screen. The first time you visit the Continuing Education screen, you're prompted to enter your personal information to receive your contact hours. Enter your information and click Save. You can update this information at any time by clicking the Settings icon. On the Continuing Education screen, under Available CE, check the boxes for the hours you would like to claim, and then click the Prepare button below. On the next screen, answer the Application in Practice questions and click Continue at the bottom of the form. Fill out the optional Content Evaluation and click Submit. Your submitted hours are removed from the Available CE tab and added to the Claimed CE tab, from which you can access a PDF copy of your certificate by clicking the PDF button. For more information about CE, click the Learn More link on the Continuing Education screen.